Hi, it's Anthony from Bookkeeper 360. And on today's video, we're going to have Heather come back onto the channel and show you how to onboard a new employee onto Gusto. Heather's going to go ahead and show you how to onboard a W-2 employee as well as a contractor, whether that be an individual or a business. Before we do hop into the video though, if you are not subscribed to our channel already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any other videos like this. All right, Heather, take it away.
Now that you've hired a new employee, the first thing you'll want to do is get them onboarded into Gusto. From the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll want to click on the Hiring tab. From here, you'll want to click on the blue link that says Hire a New Person. You'll see that the system gives you the option to hire both an employee and a contractor. In today's video, we're going to walk through both processes, but let's start with the employee. Click on the Employee tab. You'll notice that additional hiring options become available. Gusto gives you the ability to send an offer letter to any candidate directly through their system. This is an awesome feature that helps you to streamline your process at no additional cost. For today's example, let's assume that you've already extended an offer outside of the system and your employee has accepted it. Without clicking the Send an Offer Letter box, you'll want to just click Continue. From here, Gusto will ask you some preliminary information about your employee. Their first name, last name, their start date, work address, manager if applicable, and their personal email address. From here, you're able to invite your employee to enter all of their own personal details, including their social security number, direct deposit information, and even their W-4 elections. If you choose to do so, you'll only have to enter their compensation information. Once you've entered their compensation information and have enrolled them in any applicable policies, you can go ahead and click Save and Continue. If you choose to not invite an employee to enter their own details, then after choosing Save and Continue, the system will prompt you to enter in all of that information yourself. In our case, once we choose Save and Continue, the system is going to prompt you with the onboarding documents that the employee will be invited to sign. After they sign these documents, Gusto will hold a digital copy of each of them for you to access at any time. From here, you'll just want to click Save and Continue, and that's all you'll have to do. Now that we've hired our first employee, let's walk through how to hire a contractor. So we'll want to go back to our Hiring tab, click Hire a New Person, and this time we'll want to choose Contractor. From here, the process is really very similar. You'll want to choose whether the contractor is an individual or a business, what their start date is, whether they'll be paid by hourly rate or fixed dollar amount, and then you'll want to enter the contractor's email address. Very similar to when we onboarded the employee, Gusto gives you the opportunity to allow your contractor to enter all of their own details. Once you've entered the contractor's information, you'll want to click Save and Continue, and you'll be walked through the same process as the first time. So we'll want to click Employee Handbook, Save and Continue, and now the system's going to prompt your contractor to enter all of their own personal information. That's all you'll have to do.
All right, Heather. So that's how you onboard employees onto Gusto. Bookkeeper 360 is actually gold partners with Gusto, which is actually the highest tiered level of partnership that we have with Gusto. So we have experts here on our staff to help you run and manage your payroll and HR. But if you do have any different types of business needs like payroll and HR, or bookkeeping, or taxes, or CFO level advisory, or even back office type functions, Bookkeeper 360 might be a solution that you should take a look into. We are a full service back office accounting solution that can really make running your business easier. I'm gonna go ahead and put links in the description below if you would like to schedule a call with Bookkeeper 360 and find out a little bit more about us. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning more about how Bookkeeper 360 can make running your business just a little bit easier.